Fullest. This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So today I'm here again with another Zalando unboxing, another Zalando shoe unboxing. So I've already purchased the bag. I got the bag from AliExpress. The bag will be here anytime, any moment from any time of this week. The bag will be here. So I have this event coming up, which is an event for young entrepreneurs in Holland, and also an event for you to go and socialize and like meet new people. They're gonna have like a seminar where just like something to socialize, meet new people, collab with new people, work with new people, come with different ideas. So yeah, I'm kind of really excited to go there. So the dress code for this event is classic black. And so I got this black dress from Zara, but I also have this black dress that I've been eyeing from Zalando, just that they still don't have my size. But the event is the end of this month, so hopefully they will have that dress by the end of the month. If not, I'm going to be wearing the dress I purchased from the Zara. So because the dress from the Zara is super plain, so I want to accessorize the dress with the shoes and the bag. So I got this shoe from Zalando, and I'm pretty excited. I've opened the box just to see how the shoe look like, but I haven't really tried on yet. So we're about to do this. So this is the box. It comes in this plastic bag, just with the Zalando label. Delivery was very fast with this shoe. I wasn't expecting it to be super fast, but the delivery was really fast. So let's get the shoes out the box. And this is the receipt. This is like if you want to return it back, then you have like a returning label. So this is the box. This is the brand of the shoe. I feel like this is a new brand on Zalando because I've been buying from Zalando for a while now, and I've not really come across this brand. It's like something new. It's like a new brand on Zalando. So I saw the shoe and I really liked it, and I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So you guys can see this shoe is made in China. So this is what I love. That the boxing is really nice. It's like this brown. It's like brown with like kind of like golden shimmer, something like that. It's really nice. I got this shoe in size 41, yeah, because it's sandal and I really want it to fit perfectly. So when you open the box, this is what you get. So let's open it. So the shoe is a little bit more on the bling side, okay? I don't want to wear gold. I want to wear silver. So the shoe and the bag are a little bit accessorized. They're a little bit on the bling side. So when you open the box, this is what the shoe look like. So I purchased this shoe. This shoe costs 190 something, 99 or 90 something to 100. Let's just say 100 euros. I'll try and put the price for you guys here. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link for you guys in the description box as well. So this is what the shoe is looking like. Like I don't own I own one black. I do own a black, like a something like this, but then all over as a boot. I think I own something like this. I do own, not similar, but it's a boot with all this bling stone around it. So this is what the shoe look like. Let's lose this sandal. You need a scissors to cut it. Yeah, the way they wrap, I need a scissors, so I need to go and don't I have scissors in here? Yeah. Just put it here because I'm going to be moving it again. So this is what the shoe look like. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It's so bling, and I feel like the bag will matches the shoe. Super nice. I haven't really tested. Let me just wear it and see. Ooh. I don't know, but I feel like it's maybe because it's new shoe. Yo, my feet is big, man. It doesn't really. Anyway, I'll show you guys. Let me take the other one out of the box. I'm super excited for this event. At the same time, I'm like a little bit nervous because I'm a little bit nervous because I'm a Gemini, and I, as much as I love to meet, as much as I'm a talkative, I'm a complete talkative. At the same time, when I hang out a lot with people, when I go out, there are days that I really like to socialize, and there are days that when I go out, it takes a whole lot of energy. It takes my energy. So this is what this one look like. So I'm going to try to put on the shoe and then show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, I don't know. I feel like the shoe is nice. Even when I get size 14, you can see that my foot is hanging out a little bit. Father Lord, help me. How are you supposed to wear this? Okay, they're supposed to be at the back. If you have a big foot like me. I don't even know how to put it on. God. Yo, my calves are too big. Let me see. How the... Yes. Are you supposed to put... I need to know how to do it right now before I mess it up tomorrow. Let me try to put my foot through like this and see if it will work. Yeah, I need to know how to fix it before I can show you guys. Let me close. Let me see how this one is worn. Let me show you guys quickly. It's nice, but I don't know. I'm not just feeling it. I don't understand. How can one leg fit and the other one cannot wrap around my feet? It's crazy. Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like, okay? Because I'm kind of confused right now. So guys, I am going to return the shoe. I just contact the Zalando people. I just call them. The shoe is having I don't know how to explain it. Like for example, this rope. Oh, the mic. My microphone, excuse me. So with this rope, this one is longer. You guys can see, we put it together. This one is longer and this one is shorter. Can you guys see the difference? So because of that, this one cannot properly wrap around the foot like the way this one does. So for example, let me show you guys what the shoe. So I've just contacted them and the lady was like, just put the shoe in the box and return it. But the only thing is that they don't have size 41. They don't have it anymore. So I don't know what I'm going to be doing now. I don't even know what I'm going to do. So for example, you need to wrap it like this, and then you need to take this one and then you close it like this. This is how, just to show you quick. This is how you're supposed to wear the shoe. This is how the shoe is supposed to look like on your foot. But because this one is short, it cannot wrap like the way it's supposed to. See? It cannot wrap like the way it's supposed to. Sorry. This is how you're supposed to wrap it. And then this was supposed to go over, and then close here. So because of this one is short, it cannot close. It cannot come all the way and close like this one. So but this is what the shoe look like. It looks really nice, honestly speaking. So that means I have to return this and look for another shoe. I've already purchased the bag, so I really want something with some bling, and size 41 kind of fits me really nice. I like that my foot is not hanging. They do have size 40, but I feel like size 40 is going to be a little bit too, it's going to be a little bit too, my foot is going to hang, and that is what I'm avoiding. I don't want my feet to hang. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like it, but what they don't have, why do they have to make mistakes? So I'm going to do that immediately. I'm just going to put it back into the box. I'm happy I still have the sticker. I'm just going to return everything. I'm going to do that today. I'm going to return it. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, Team Fullest. So this is it. Yeah, now I have to start looking for something else. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Team Fullest, I'm a little bit disappointed, I'm not gonna lie, because I've been planning to like just get everything right. So I'm a little bit disappointed, so I'm just going to return it, and I'll see you all on my next video. I'm gonna try to look for something else to wear. Maybe, I don't know, just something. I'm gonna try to look for something else to wear. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye. I'm so disappointed, and I'm going to try to look for something new. I saw another sandal which also have some blings. I don't know if I should pick that one up, but I really want this one. I really want this one. I really wanted this one. Oh God, I love the heels. It's not like super high. It's very comfortable to walk in. It's so